Now how to do field water pipe sizing. Field water pipe sizing already I explained this one. Already from engineers we are getting this data. Example this room 0.38 liter per second. This is so in this 0.38 we are getting only liter per second only. But when you are doing this pipe size Macway pipe sizer, there is a software is there. In this pump pipe sizer we will get in size calculation 0.38. This 0.38 liter per second. So we need to convert into GPM. How to convert 38 into 15.85? There is conversion. In this conversion, we will get 6 GPM. I will explain 1 minute. 0.38 15.85 liter per second to GPM conversion 15.85. This is the conversion. Is equal GPM. In this GPM, can you put here 6 GPM? So we will get now this is a 1-inch pipe dia. We cannot reach this one up to 4 foot. So we are reaching now only 2.3 only. So this one is okay now 1 inch and 1 inch means we can convert 1 into 25.4. So we are getting now 25 dia. This 25 dia we are adding all rooms. So what we are getting final from cellar area. We are getting every room. We need to add this one. We will get every room area where pipe will be. So we are doing only now this area only. In this area now we will do pipe size. How we will do pipe size? What we did the size area same. Here also we will use same. Example now 25 dia is there no. So command 25 means 12.5 center line. Here, here, so, so, also, so, this also. We need to make elbow now. Fillet, radius, this half will get from here to here. This one is the line. Radius, enter, math properties. So make this one. Same thing. We'll copy, return also. This is written from here. This center. We'll move now. Left radius. Only this one. Center. Only this one. Center also same. This one from here. From here. This also. Delete. One, this one. Enter. Trim. Trim. This is a double end. This like this we need to do. All we need to do everything. Finally, what we are getting this area. So we need to reducer same like detect what we did reducer. From where we need to go on this area. Example, this one I'm saying only one example. Example, this area we have 550 dia is there. What we'll do in this area, we'll make dia means 25. 25 meter, meter from here, I will make offset 100. We need to make 100. Okay. From here, what will you will make extend here, will make realize for reducer. I will make this one, will this inside one, this one, divided by this one. Like this, we need to make everything. This is the way we need to do water. So in this case, I forget to tell you insulation. There is insulation also there. In this insulation, uh, from FCU to duct area, we need to make inside insulation. This is acoustic, called acoustic 25 mm thickness. We need to make like this. All FCU from starting to getting FCU area, 2 meters is required. This insulation will be from equipment when equipment running now there is a nice level also there. In nice level there is reducing the nice criteria. From outside also this heat reducing. That's why we are providing outside insulation also 25 mm required. That is the thermal insulation. This way we need to do all AC and ducting calculation, grill size and pipe sizing. Next, I will explaining this ventilation. Before ventilation, already I told last time, as per ASTRA, for picture, public area building is there means 50, 50 liter, 50, 50 is required liter per second. Otherwise, normal residential building only 12.5 only. Now what I will show you now FAHU. This FAHU, this one, FAHU means pressure air handling unit. Like AC already we are providing AC also we are cooling this room. What we are providing pressure also AC also in that area AC also required ventilation also required. So what we are doing there already we are providing from pressure outside air also we are providing in this room already extract also there in this extract also we are other going is fresh air in handling unit. Circle this one same rotation is going on. Pressure is coming and except also going from room again handling pressure handling unit. This is the pressure handling unit. And this one is rotation. Pressure coming, except going. Again there is heat recover will everything is there. From here again recover everything again coming. This is the way pressure handling working. There also one chill water provision also there. Now I am explaining smoke ventilation for corridor. Sometimes example this area any room area smoke fire happen that time there is nothing fire happen everybody coming in corridor area only in that corridor area we need smoke outside smoke extract and smoke markup and extract flowing outside that also required. So what we did now in this building there is all corridor area is there. In this corridor area I provided one it is markup smoke. I provided this one. So what we are doing this calculation. For example, there is area area into height into 8 inches meter cube per hour. What we did last time, car park ventilation, basement pump room ventilation, kitchen, everything same scenario only, but there is changing only area, height, room, right, and there is a very less 8 inches, 6 inches only. What we did 94 area into 3 room height, 6 inches, 1692 my this one meter cube per hour. So 470 I get it. SEF smoke extract fan. So what I did from McAfee also required. McAfee same what we get it from extract 85% we took McAfee 400 only. In this area I provided there is my we need to provide supply shaft because there is a this is a depends on the country. Now every country they have different regulations as there regulations is there. Some countries don't want a smoke corridor system also. Nowadays all now I think all smart cities all providing high raised buildings smoke ventilation. In this smoke ventilation now normally we are providing this area markup area to below the we need to provide see like below the ceiling area there is one providing motorized damper and grill size everything. Grill size what we make same supply. Senior here also we need to take same follow same method. Except high level above the ceiling. This area we are providing because this corridor is already almost 20 meter is there. There is I provided uh, two two fans are provided. One is here, one is this area. Backup extract. This is a smoke calculation we need to do. This is smoke calculation. This fan also we are providing a roof area. Plus already I showed this one. No? Same, this is a building. From here we are taking there is a one plant room. Plant room is there in plant room we are providing extract and backup. There is a required distance will be 5 meter. 5 meter distance is there. In that, this one is working only when fire happen that time only it's work. Rates only. But this is a woman safety. Is required in this area compulsory in corridor area only corridor area because people also everybody coming when fire happen only corridor area only. That's why we are providing only corridor area. One more thing, this smoke ventilation calculation we are doing only one floor only we are calculating because we don't know which floor is happen. That's why we are providing only uh, corridor area only. And one more thing, some buildings they don't want smoke ventilation because there is already natural ventilation is there. Example, this corridor high-rise building, no, this one they don't have any natural ventilation. Some area they have their only windows, everything is there. That area, anything happen, they will open direct the doors. Doors they it will be going on outside in that smoke smoke ventilation. This is the way we need to do all smoke ventilation area.